When rocks get close enough to magma, they begin to melt and fuse together more. If the rock is sedimentary and has layers, chances are once it melts a bit and morphs into its new shape, it will have layers too, only the layers will be wavy. There are two types of metamorphic rocks, foliated, which has layers, and nonfoliated, which don't. You'd find metamorphic in the mantle. Since the metamorphic belongs here, you decide to choose metamorphic. As you head down the tunnel, you see that the tunnel walls are made of fayalite, a metamorphic rock, at first. As you progress down, the walls turn from yellowish brown to a lime green, serpentinite. You know how this has happened. There is a theory that the Earth's outer crust is divided into plates. There are two types of plates, oceanic and continental. Continental plates are usually granite. Oceanic is usually basalt, so they are darker in color. When tectonic plates ram into each other, there are several possible outcomes. If both the plates are continental, they will crumple and shoot up, creating mountains. If one of the plates is oceanic and the other is continental, the oceanic plate will go under the continental because it is denser. Same happens when two oceanic plates collide. One of them goes under. Ocean-ocean collisions and continental ocean collisions create what are called subduction zones. They can also form volcanoes. What causes the plates to move? Convection. The Earth's core is blistering hot and melts the rock that gets close to it. The hotter magma rises up as it's less dense and reaches the surface, where the crust causes it to swirl left or right. This makes the plates shift. The plates usually move 2 to 3 inches a year. Boundaries are the border between two tectonic plates. There are 3 possible interactions between two tectonic plates near each other. The first is called convergent. This is when two plates push toward each other. Another is called divergent. This is when plates move away from each other. Finally, there is one called transform. This is when two plates slide past each other. Serpentinite can be many different rocks at first. Fayalite is an example. The fayalite is subducted when a subduction zone appears. Water molecules connect to the iron molecules, creating a different chemical formula. What used to be Fe2SiO4, 2 iron molecules connected with 4 silicon oxide ones, connects with water, or H2O, and becomes Fe2Se2O5OH4, which is serpentinite. This is a chemical change from a metamorphic rock to another metamorphic rock through a process called hydration. Chemical changes can happen in any rock. It means that the chemical formula of a rock, for example Fe2SiO4 fayalite, is changed into another rock with a different formula. Chemical changes can also be really slight. Even a 1 letter or a 1 number change classifies it as a chemical change. As you ponder this, you've noticed that you've headed way down. It's starting to get stuffy, not to mention hot. You know you're getting closer to the lower mantle where it's hotter. You realize you should not have chosen the metamorphic tunnel. Metamorphic is formed in the mantle, whereas igneous rocks form on the crust and in the upper mantle. You should have chosen the stone that lit you up. You circle back around, but you know it's hopeless. You don't have enough supplies. You've tried, but you know you can't make it. The tunnels are too long, and you collapse just before reaching the intersection. Pyra Labs has won.